Hey there. Ever wondered how I made $1,500 in just 24 hours with affiliate marketing? Well, buckle up because I'm about to spill the beans on how I pulled off this magic trick with Nitro, an Instagram growth software. Now, if you've been around here, you know I've raved about Nitro more times than I can count, and yes, it's made me some serious cash through its affiliate program. But today, I'm unveiling a sneaky strategy one haven't blabbed about before on this channel. So grab your pen and paper because this is going to be juicy and jam-packed with value. And hey, now, Nitro isn't just any Instagram growth tool. It's the real deal, offering a sweet 25% recurring commission on every sale worldwide. That means no matter where you're at, you can join, promote, and start raking in the dough. So, how exactly did I hit that $1,500 jackpot? Let me break down the exact playbook I used to make it rain with affiliate commissions. Step 1. Stalking YouTube for gold. First things first, I hit up YouTube like a detective on a mission. I searched for channels spilling secrets on Instagram growth. Stuff like how to grow on Instagram and Instagram growth tips. Found some juicy channels with views piling up faster than my morning coffee. Step 2. The art of the email charm offensive. Armed with my list of YouTube stars, I didn't just slide into their DMs. I hit them up like a smooth operator. I offered to sponsor their videos, and let me tell you, sponsorships are like catnip for these YouTubers. But here's the twist, I didn't shove my affiliate link down their throats. Oh no. Instead, I dangled a little carrot called a lead magnet. Step 3. The lead magnet magic. Picture this. I created a freebie called the Instagram Growth Checklist. It's like gold for anyone looking to boost their Insta game. I asked these YouTubers to mention my checklist in their videos and drop a link to my landing page. Sneaky, right? But oh so effective. The aftermath. Cha-ching and a fat email list. Guess what? 4 channels took the bait, and I forked out some cash for those sweet sponsorships. Check out these receipts. And the best part? My email list exploded to over 6,000 subscribers, all hungry for that free Instagram growth checklist. Are you struggling with building landing pages and all that jazz? Don't worry, I've got you covered with a software called ConvertKit. It's free for up to 1,000 email subscribers. So, no need to break the bank up front. Now, to whip up a simple landing page, just trot over here and pick a super straightforward template like this one, my personal go-to. Click Choose, and bam! You can customize it to say whatever you fancy. How about free Instagram GRS checklist, or whatever tickles your fancy? Add your logo or any image, and voila! Landing page done in less time than it takes to decide what to binge watch next. Next up, linking your freebie. I call mine the Instagram Goodies Checklist. Upload it to your Google Drive, click Share. Set it to Anyone with Link, copy that link, and paste it in your landing page settings under Redirect to an external page. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now, about that email list, mine's over 6,000 strong, thanks to those YouTube sponsorships. With an email list, you've got a direct line to your audience. I've been sliding in emails about affiliate products that help folks grow their Insta game, and voila, see all that green? That's how. Email marketing, my friend. It's like having your own personal cash machine that's socially acceptable. You own that list, so whenever you've got a hot new affiliate product to push, boom, email blast and ka-ching. I know, email marketing sounds about as thrilling as watching paint dry, but trust me, it's the golden ticket these gurus don't want you to know about. So, if you want more email marketing tips and tricks, drop a comment below. I'll cook up some juicy tutorials just for you. And hey, if you're low on funds, start your own YouTube channel. Become the guru of Nitro, the Instagram growth wizard, offer your checklist, and watch that email list grow faster than a TikTok trend. And hey, click on the next video popping up on your screen for more affiliate marketing goodness. Cheers!